Okay. Yes. Question number 1. F of x equals sin 2x by x if x is not equal to 0. 1 if x is equal to 0. We need to make sure this function is continuous or not. We already know that all the polynomial functions are continuous. All the trigonometric functions are continuous in their domain. Okay. So this function has two values. When x is 0, it is 1. When x is not equals 0, this one. How it should be calculated? So except 0, the continuity is there because this is polynomial function already continuous. We need to make sure whether it is continuous at x is equal to 0 or not. Okay. So we are going to check continuity at x is equal to 0. That how we will check? Limit x tends to 0, f of x, that should be equal to f of 0, we need to prove. If that is equal to f of 0, we will say this function is continuous. First evaluate this limit. Limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by x. Any formula for this? Yes, there is a formula. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x equals a is the formula that we have studied in limits. Okay. So here what is there in the place of a? 2. So in this formula, what formula is it? The limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to f of 0. This left hand part we calculated. That comes like 2. What about the right hand part? F of 0. When you substitute 0 in this outcome will come or this outcome will come? Tell me, x equals 0 means this outcome will come or this outcome will come? 1. Okay. Will the both are same? See man, this one we got the value as 2. This one we got value as 1. So it is not same. So therefore it is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Any doubts in this? You may have one doubt. Here instead of this sin ax, because here also I mentioned only f of x. Instead of this 1, why don't we replace 1? Both are values, right? Is it? Then why don't we replace this? Why I didn't replace this means here x approaches to 0. Approaches to 0 means not 0, just moving forward to 0. So while moving forward to 0, is that equal to 0? That is why I took this. Understood? Okay. Any doubts in this? Shall we move to next question? Okay.